Social media helps agents connect with clients and build their brand. One particularly effective strategy is this or that posts. These posts present two options and invite followers to choose their favorite, sparking engagement and discussion. In this video, we'll fill you in on everything you need to know about this or that posts. Even better, we've already created a bunch of these posts, free for you to download and use, so let's get to it. Let's start with the basics. A this or that post is a simple, engaging way to connect with your audience. Imagine asking a fun, relatable question like, which do you prefer, followed by jacuzzi or pool. These posts usually feature eye-catching images to make the choice clear and appealing. Agents typically post these questions to their stories where viewers can quickly tap to vote, and to their posts where the comment section becomes a lively debate. Whether it's a story poll or a static post, these questions are designed to spark engagement and get your followers talking. Oh, by the way, I'm Doug Smart, part of the team that did over $3.5 billion in sales last year. I'm with eXp Realty and the Wolfpack sponsor team. When you partner with us, you'll get more value than anyone else in the real estate business is offering. Learn more at our website, smartagentalliance.com. That link will also be in the description below. Alright, so benefits of this or that posts. More comments. Interactive posts get more comments and shares. This or that posts are perfect for this because they invite your followers to participate actively. Studies show that interactive content like these posts can generate up to 59% more engagement than static posts. More engagement means your posts are seen by more people, and that's always a win. People love them. Who doesn't love to voice their opinion? Polls and quizzes are a hit online because they're fun and easy to join. This or that posts present choices side by side, making it easy for people to decide and share their preferences. This not only gives people a chance to be heard, but also breaks down complex topics into simple, bite-sized comparisons. When people share their choices, they feel part of a community. They get to see what others prefer and why, turning the comment section into a lively discussion. This exchange of views adds depth to the conversation and makes the topic more engaging and personal. It's a great way to create a sense of community and involvement amongst your followers. More interaction means more visibility to your posts. The more people comment and share, the more your content spreads across social media. This increased reach can drive more traffic to your profile and listings, helping you connect with a larger audience. These posts aren't just fun, they're also a valuable source of information. By sparking conversations, agents can learn about their clients' preferences and desires. This insight helps you tailor your services to better meet client needs, leading to stronger relationships and more successful transactions. One reason this or that post works so well is that they leverage the psychology of choice. The psychology of choice suggests that when people have too many options, they become overwhelmed and less likely to make a decision. By presenting just two choices, these posts simplify the decision-making process and encourage followers to share their opinions. Ready to create your own engaging this or that posts? Here are the key elements. Understanding your audience. Knowing your audience is critical. They have specific needs and preferences, so tailor your post to resonate with them. For instance, if your audience consists of young professionals, focus on modern design elements. The more you understand what your audience loves, the better you can engage with them. Keeping the post visually appealing. People love looking at beautiful things, and high-quality posts are more likely to stand out. Use high-quality images and vibrant colors to make your posts eye-catching. Tools like Canva can help you create professional and visually appealing graphics with ease. Remember, a visually stunning post is more likely to grab attention and encourage engagement. Asking relevant and timely questions. Align your posts with current trends or seasons to keep them relevant. For example, during summer, you could ask beach view or mountain view. This not only makes the question timely, but also maximizes engagement by tapping into seasonal preferences. Relevant and timely questions are more likely to spark interest and conversation among your followers. By focusing on these elements, you'll create this or that posts that are not only engaging, but also highly effective in connecting with your audience. Ideas for this or that posts. Looking for easy to load this or that posts? Just download ours. They're free for you to upload and use in your social media, or create your own posts. Here are some fun and engaging options to get you started. City versus suburb. The classic debate, city life versus suburban life. City life offers convenience and excitement, with easy access to work, entertainment, and dining. On the other hand, the suburbs promise peace and space, often featuring bigger homes and yards. People love comparing these options to see which lifestyle suits them better. Modern versus vintage. Homes come in a variety of styles. Some people adore modern houses with clean lines and the latest technology, while others are drawn to vintage homes, full of character and history. Beachfront versus mountain view. Some dream of waking up to the sound of the ocean, while others prefer a breathtaking mountain view. Agents can post pictures of both settings and ask followers where they'd rather live. This kind of post sparks dreams of future homes and engages your audience's imagination. Posting your this or that post versus Instagram story benefits. When it comes to sharing your this or that content, you have options: Instagram or Facebook stories, static posts, or both. Each has its own strength, so let's break it down. Posts. Posts are static and remain on your account, providing long-term visibility. Viewers can interact by asking the question in a comment, which can spark ongoing discussions. Posts are great because they can be seen by anyone, not just your followers, which helps broaden your reach. Stories. Stories, on the other hand, offer a more dynamic experience. Users can tap into their screen to answer questions, making stories more interactive. However, stories disappear after 24 hours and are only seen by your followers. Maximizing your reach. For maximum impact, start with a story. It's a quick way to engage with your followers and get immediate responses. Then, a few days later, share that story as a post. This strategy gives you the best of both worlds: the immediate engagement of a story and the lasting visibility of a post. By using both posts and stories, you can maximize your reach and ensure content gets seen by a broader audience. Ready to get your this or that post up and running? Create your own or grab the 21 awesome ready-made posts that we've already created for you to use for free. I'll put that link for the download in the description below. Plus, if you need a hand getting those posts onto your Instagram and Facebook, our blog has all the instructions you need, including best practices for uploading. Find all the details at the same link in the description. To learn more about eXp Realty and the Wolfpack, here's some more videos which should be showing up right about now. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.